What's wrong, buddy? Where's your owie? Can you get the other mail? Let's go get the other mail. Help me. Yeah, come see.
Oh, I can see! Oh, I can see!
Why not? Come on. Come get it. Are you okay, buddy? Are you okay?
It's right here, Mama. Oh, right here?
Okay.
That's a good idea.
Is it? Who do you think that's from? Is that from your friend?
Open it, Mama.
Okay.
Please open it for me.
I would love to. Let's go inside and get scissors.
Hey, this is my new home with my packers. Let's go home. Let's go home. Bobby! I want to go here, Mama.
No, let's go up this way.
You carry me. You carry me.
What's wrong? Come on, it's okay.